Exam season is over, but were they worth it, and how have they affected us? The children's mental health charity, Young Minds, asked young people how they felt during their exams this summer, and the results were pretty bleak. Over half of Year 6 pupils who sat their SATs exams said it would be the first time they had worried about their abilities, with 35% saying SATs made them feel ill. And for 15 to 18-year-olds, the results were more serious. 63% of teenagers said they struggled to cope in exam season. 1 in 4 had panic attacks, and 15% stopped going to school completely. Exams are more than twice as likely to have a significant negative impact on mental health than social media. Young campaigners don't think it's right that we're under so much pressure and have visited Parliament to call on the government to change the current exam system.
When I sat my A-levels last year, I collapsed from burnout just weeks before they were meant to start. That's why myself and other young people from Young Minds visited Westminster last week to tell MPs that it's time to revise the system because exams are missing the mark. Children as young as 11 should not be sitting exams. And those older at GCSE and A-levels, well, the exams need to be reformed. It's time to revise the system.
We asked you guys what you think about exams and if there's too much pressure from them.
I feel exams can put on a lot of pressure and how you if you fail them you won't be able to get the job you want, and it affects people's anxiety.
I feel like exams are really important for you to get what you want in the future jobs, future colleges, future universities, and it could really help you do your exams.
With exams, I feel like they should be spread out longer instead of having one exam on one day and the next one a day or two later. I feel like that should be a longer gap so decently people have time to revise for each subject and have a break in between.
Fewer exams would be beneficial for children so they don't get as stressed.
I feel like exams are extremely pressurising, and if there's any way that schools could make it easier for kids to take exams, then they definitely need to act on that.